flashes scattered through the night, now dark, now bright. Giant trees grow from the skies, with branches of pure white. Some touch the earth, setting it alight. An exercise in power by gods with the right to strike down the fearless with their heavenly smite. Heralder of storms, with thunder as its voice. Zues, Thor's, Indra's weapon of choice. One day a curse to a forest, bringing a fire that destroys. Another, a blessing to a desert, under whose reign all rejoice. A domesticated version is employed by man to power his world however he can, but leave him in complete darkness, just one strike to his home can. He may have gone to the moon, he may venture to the stars, but on humbling nights like these, he remembers where he began.